Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be talking about an application of effective rate of interest. Let's see the previous year problem. The problem is the bank pays 10% rate of interest. Interest being calculated half a yearly. A sum of 400 is deposited in the bank. The amount at the end of 1 year has been asked. In the previous video, we have seen about effective rate. So let's just recap what is the most important thing is nothing but 10% compounded half a year. So if we want to think about the effective rate of interest, the formula goes like this. The only change that I have made over here is nothing but this 400. The formula says to keep 100, but since we are depositing 400, if we write 400 over here instead of 100, we will get the interest earned in this process. Right? So how much interest is earned, we can find out in this way. Let's just try to do this directly using a calculator. So what we want to do is 0.1 divided by 2 plus 1, then square minus 1 and multiply by 400. This will give us what? This will give us the interest earned. What they are asking is the amount. So whatever interest we get, we are supposed to add it with the principal. Let us just start. So it's nothing but 0.1 divided by 2. Why divided by 2? Because half a yearly. Then plus 1 square. So multiply equal to minus 1. Then multiply with 400 to get what? This will give us the interest earned, that is nothing but 41. 41 is the interest, but we want the amount. So we'll add it with principal. Principal was of 400. And that is nothing but 441. That is nothing but option D. Right? Just see the calculation over here. 0.1 divided by 2. Then add 1. Then square. Then minus 1. Multiply by 400 to get the interest. Since we wanted the amount, we added with the principal. Right? Very simple question. With practice, you can do this question even in the less than 30 seconds. I give you a question for an exercise. You have to tell me what is an answer of this by using the same trick in the comment section. Okay, thank you.